Looking for a powerful, travel-friendly power bank that keeps all your devices charged on the go? Meet the Anker Prime 27,650 mAh, the ultimate portable charger for laptops, phones, and more. First, let's talk power. This compact power bank delivers a huge 250 watts of fast charging through 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Need a quick top-up? Charge your MacBook Air M2 to 30% in just 13 minutes. That's real speed when you're in a hurry. Despite being about the size of a soda can, it packs a 27,650 mAh battery, enough to charge a 13-inch MacBook Air 1.28 times, or an iPhone 14 nearly 5 times. And yes, it's TSA approved. At 99.54 watt-hours, it stays under the 100 watt-hour limit, so you can safely bring it on planes in your carry-on luggage. It works with almost everything: MacBooks, iPhones, Samsung phones, laptops, DJI drones, Starlink kits, you name it. One power bank, endless possibilities. Control your power bank straight from your phone with the Smart Anker app. Connect via Bluetooth, check real-time stats, and even use the Find Device feature to locate your power bank when it's lost in your bag or tent. So if you want power, speed, and convenience in your pocket, the Anker Prime is a smart choice for work, travel, and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech videos.